Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Blessed with Tarot and Guidance. Today I'm going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Aquarius, and today's topic is how will be your next 2 months. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Aquarius, you can refer to this reading, and this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch this reading, it will be applicable for the next 2 months. And also please watch this reading till the end, because at the end I will take few guidances from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Let me shuffle the cards a bit. Okay, almost ready. Okay, cards for first month: Five of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Magician, Two of Swords, and Six of Swords. For the second month: Seven of Swords, Nine of Swords, Strength, Lovers, that's good, and Four of Wands. Okay, the bottom energy is Ace of Wands, which is really good. Means you are going to start something in your career very big and very promising, which will give you very good results. This is the bottom energy. Okay, for the first month we got Five of Swords. This card indicates that in the first month something or somebody will leave you unnoticed, will leave you giving you proper clarification, and you will be kind of disheartened with the situation. It shows deception and betrayal in a relationship. It shows any kind of trickery at your job location, at your workplace, and also financially also this is not a good card. So be careful, Aquarius, for the next month. The next card for the next month, for the first month exactly, we got Seven of Wands. As you can see here, this guy is holding a wand and standing against these Six Wands. These Six Wands are the oppositions you will be getting at your workplace, or in your family also. Whatever you say, your viewpoint, your standpoint will be challenged, and you will be taking stand by your side, by yourself. And yeah, you can see you are strong enough here. You have the power to defend yourself. So this is a kind of good card, you can say, because you are not scared. You are taking your stand. The next card for the first month, we got the Magician card. This is a very very good card for you, Aquarius. This card says that you will be in your full power, and the best thing about this card is that you are aware of that how much powerful you are. You know that whatever you wish for and whatever you work for, you can get in your life. Here you can see this guy has the wand, this guy has the pentacle, this cup, and sword here also. So if you want to excel in your work life and you are putting effort in your work area, you will excel in that. If you were your cups says that if you are working towards your love relationship, you will be successful. Pentacles says about that if you are working towards your finances also, you will be successful. And the sword energy says that you will be in a calm state, there is no stress. You will effortlessly do things and will excel in those, in every area of your life. Very good card. And the next card for first month is Two of Swords. This is the card of deadlock situation, stuck situation, and here you can see this guy is blindfolded and as well as kind of in a guarded guarding himself by crossed hands, holding two swords, means he is not allowing anything to come to him. Likewise, might be in the first month you will not be open to opportunities. This is the card of denial also. Without looking into a situation, without looking into any opportunity clearly, you will just simply say no, which is not good. Okay, and you need to remove this blindfold. First you need to look at the situation, then only you can reach out any conclusion or decision. Okay, only you can help yourself. You have to drop the swords here, and you need to remove this blindfold. Nobody else can help you here. You need to get yourself out of this energy, Aquarius. The next card for the first month, we got Six of Swords. As you can see here, this guy is means taking his boat and going to somewhere, and the water under this boat is stormy, and here the water is like calm and still water. Likewise, in the first month, your situation will improve. If you are facing any issues in your life, you are gradually moving towards a good energy. Your issues will be gradually solved by itself. Okay, from the stormy water you are approaching towards the still water, means your life issues will gradually improve. So this is a positive card for you, Aquarius. So for the second month, we got Seven of Swords. This is not a good card for you, Aquarius. This card indicates trickery, fraud, scam, and deception, betrayal, lies, suspicious activities. So overall, if I see in job area, in work area, you might have to face trickery, lies from your colleagues. There will be some politics against you, and if it's a money matter, you might have to face some scams, frauds. So you need to be extra vigilant while doing any monetary transactions. And in love relationship also, you will have a doubtful state of mind towards your partner. You will be looking at your partner suspiciously, like you are kind of lack of trust towards your partner. So okay, sometimes happens, but you need to be careful against these bad energies. Okay, the next card for second month is Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords, you can see this guy slept, but he already up and holding his head. Like this card indicates sleepless nights and anxiety, stressfulness. So you will get a lot of stress and anxiety because of anything. It can be your work, love, or finances. But the thing is, your outside situation might be little challenging, but you are making it big. You are thinking, you are cultivating a lot negative ideas, and that's why you are not able to sleep at night. You need to control your mind. You need to refrain yourself from negative thoughts. You can practice meditation. I always suggest, if you are facing any kind of stress or anxiety, must do meditation at least for 10 minutes at least per day. That will help you a lot. So your outside situation is not that much bad, but you are creating this. You are creating all these things in your mind. That's why you are getting sleepless night. You need to overcome this, Aquarius. Strength, and with this strength card, I can see you are going to overcome this. Strength card indicates like you will be in your full power. Strength card, you can see this is furious lion is being tamed by a feminine energy. Like this energy indicates calmness. Calmness is the ultimate strength, and you will become calm, and you will have that energy to tackle any odd situations. You will have energy to tackle this situation and this situation. You will be in your full power. So channelize your power in a good way, for your own growth, for your betterment. Channelize your energy in a good way. Lovers card. Wow, this card indicates that you will spend quality time with your partner. If you have some misunderstandings with your partner, you will have reunion and reconciliation with your partner, and you will feel emotionally content. Means love wise, this is the best card, the lovers card. And yes, for singles, there is a chance that your soulmate or twin flame or whoever you are waiting for will enter into your life. And your means for couples, your love life will take the next level. Your love life will be full of romance. Okay, and the final card for the second month is Four of Wands. This is, if I merge this card with this, it indicates commitment, it indicates marriage for some of you. Yes, a few people probably go for marriage in the second month. And if I am seeing work, from work perspective, this card indicates that you will have a solid foundation at your workplace. Means whatever you are doing, means you are doing a contractual job that will become permanent for you. If you are doing some kind of business which is not stable, you will have stability in your business. Means the foundation will be solid for you in the second month. And yes, some of you will go for marriage, or some of you who are waiting for the commitment from their partner will get that in the second month. Wow, Aquarius. So now it's time to take few guidances from Moonology card deck. Okay, Aquarius, what is the guidance for you? What is the guidance for you, Aquarius? What is the guidance for Aquarius? Just have patience. Last shuffle. What is the guidance for Aquarius? Yeah, we're done. Meditate and contemplate. Wow, that's what I said. Bring love into situation. Okay. Meditate and contemplate. For this card, I said you need to meditate, and this card came. The guidance card came, which confirms that you need to meditate, Aquarius, and bring love into the situation. Yes, love is coming into your situation, undoubtedly, and your life will be full of love in the second month, Aquarius. So this is all about your reading, Aquarius. I hope you liked this reading, and please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Till then, keep smiling, count your blessings. God bless you. Bye bye.